Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In my previous video, I showed you how I created an auto purchase bot for Telegram stickers. Now to prove it works, in this video, I'm going to give you a live demonstration of the bot in action. You'll see exactly how it automatically purchases sticker packs. So if you're curious to see the proof of work, stay tuned. Telegram user bot connected to your account. It continuously checks for new collections. When a new sticker pack is released, the bot will automatically purchase it for you using stars as payment. You can configure the bot to listen only for new collections or for new collections and new characters within existing collections. You can also set minimum and maximum price limits and define a buy count, indicating how many times you want the bot to purchase new stickers on release. Now let me run the bot to show you how it works. Initially, the bot will print the details of the logged-in user before attempting to retrieve the most recent sticker collections. When the bot initializes all collections with stickers, it will print all stickers available to purchase with their prices. All of these printouts are just for demonstration purposes, to show you how it works. And these initially fetched collections and characters will not be auto-purchased. Only the new ones will be purchased. Once the bot is initialized, it will continuously check for new collections. The bot is currently checking for new collections. To simulate the process and show you how it works, I will remove collection 19 from the initial collection list. Now that collection 19 has been removed, let's go back to our terminal and see what happens. As you can see, the bot quickly identified that collection as a new one and generated a purchase link. Please note that this link is just for demonstration purposes. In the main bot, the purchase would happen automatically. Now let's check that payment link in Telegram. It seems the K version of Telegram Web doesn't support these links. Let's switch over to the A version of Telegram Web. You can see that the payment link is for the collection that we want.